Hello, is this Spice Garden restaurant?
Yes, this is Spice Garden. How can I help you today?
I would like to make a table reservation.
Sure, I can help you with that. May I know your name, please?
My name is Priya Mehta.
Thank you, madam. What date and time would you like to reserve a table for?
I would like to reserve a table for this Saturday at 7 p.m.
Let me check availability. Please wait a moment.
Okay, I will wait.
Thanks for waiting. We have a table available this Saturday at 7 p.m. How many people will be joining you?
We will be 3 people.
Great. Would you like a table indoors or outdoors?
We would prefer the table placed indoors, please.
Noted. Do you have any special requests or requirements?
Yes, it's my husband's birthday today. Can we have a small cake?
Certainly, we can arrange that. What flavor would you like for the cake?
Chocolate, please.
Sure, we'll make a chocolate cake. Do you want anything else?
No, that's it. Thank you.
Your reservation is confirmed for Saturday at 7 p.m. for 3 people, indoors, with chocolate cake. Can I have your contact number for confirmation?
Yes, my number is 98765444X.
Thank you. You will receive a confirmation message shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome, madam. Have a great day.
Thank you. Goodbye. Piyush, did you pick up our lovely daughter from daycare?
Yes, Priya. I picked her up from the daycare while returning from the office.
I have also left the office now and am coming home so that I can freshen up and get ready. Hey Siri, call Spice Garden restaurant.
Hi, this is Spice Garden. How can I help you today?
Hi, I have a reservation for today in the name of Priya Mehta.
Yes, madam. We have your reservation. How can I help you?
We are running a little late. Can we change our reservation time to 7:30 p.m.?
Let me see if we can adjust the time. Please hold for a moment.
Sure, I'll wait.
Thank you for waiting. We have changed your reservation to 7:30 p.m.
Thank you very much. Also, can we get a high chair for a child?
Of course, we will arrange a high chair for you.
This is great. Thanks for your help.
You are welcome. See you at 7:30 p.m. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Are you excited for the party, dear?
Dad, I have a little pain in my stomach.
Priya, there is one problem. Sweetie is not feeling well. She has a little pain in her stomach.
Will she be able to go to the restaurant or should we cancel the reservation?
I think we should cancel the reservation. I'm going to buy medicine for her.
I'm near the medicine store, so I will buy medicine for her. You stay there with her. Hello, I'll have to cancel my reservation for today.
I am sorry to hear that. Can you please tell me your name and reservation details?
My name is Priya Mehta. There's a reservation for 3 people today at 7:30 p.m.
Thank you, madam. I will cancel your reservation. May I ask why you need to cancel the reservation?
Yes, we have a family emergency.
I understand. I have cancelled your reservation. Can I help you with anything else?
No, that's it. Thank you.
You are welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. May you have a great time ahead.